Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to edit Roblox username. The first thing you need to do is open up your Roblox app after installing it on your phone and signing into your credentials. Next thing, from here at the bottom we have some options here. We have homes, chat, avatar, party and more. Tap on more and then you can see the options we have here, profile and the rest. Tap on settings. Don't tap on profiles, tap on settings. Then tap on account information. This is how we're going to access our username. Then you can see under account information we have display name and then we have username. So tap on the pen icon next to username to edit. Now listen, you need 1,000 Robux or more to change your username. If you like to buy, click on buy. If you have enough, you'll be able to change it. It's as simple as that. Once you change it, you click on save. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.